band is still playing.
It's the bass solo, turd burglar. Don't you know anything about music?
Mom asked me to give you some advice about middle school. It's real simple. Don't talk to anyone. Don't look at anyone. Don't go anywhere. Don't sit down. Don't raise your hand. Don't go to the bathroom. Don't get noticed. Don't choose the wrong locker. Don't. Who am I kidding? You'll be dead or homeschooled by the end of the year anyway.
I'm going to kill you. Literally kill you.
Little brother, is your first day as crappy as I said it would be?
You know, you having a job doesn't pass the smell test.
Don't forget about me.
Riley isn't going, and I can't get in without him.
Okay. Well, you snuck me in, so instead, sneak yourself in, and then sneak me in.